everyone, Thriving PKU is back. We've been gone for the past few months because we were busy having our little beautiful baby girl who does not have PKU. She's healthy and beautiful and we couldn't be happier, but we're super excited to kick off a new season of Thriving PKU today with a veggie minestrone soup that I have been loving lately. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this soup. So first we're going to need some vegetable broth. We'll be using 6 cups. We're going to be using the Flavis d'Italia pasta. I'm really into this pasta right now for being low protein medical food. It's pretty cheap and it holds up really well in the soup. We're going to be using 2 cans, so like 28 ounces of petite diced tomatoes. Yeah, that's what I got. And then 2 cans of, or about 15 ounces of tomato sauce. We're using 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic, but you guys know me and garlic. You use as much as you want. I'm using about 2 cups of zucchini, about a cup or like a cup and a half of celery and a cup of carrots. I'm on the simplified diet, so these are free for me. So I just throw in as much as I want. I'm also using some dried basil, some oregano, bay leaves, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking our olive oil and using about 2 tablespoons in a big old pot, and we're going to saute all our veggies. So we're gonna throw in the onion, the garlic, my favorite, and then all your veggies. And you can totally use other veggies if you don't like these or if you like others more. Go for it. Tyler Hines loves green beans. Ew. I'm not using those, just these. And then we're just gonna saute it for about 10 minutes or until the veggies are nice and tender. Okay, so now that the veggies are pretty soft, I'm gonna add in pretty much everything else but the pasta. So we're gonna add in the tomato sauce, both little cans. We're gonna add in the petite diced tomatoes. Ugh, I do not like that sound. Okay. I'm gonna add in the veggie broth. So we're adding in about 6 cups. And one way while I'm adding this, one way that you can make this lower in protein, if you need it lower in protein, is to just use like half the amount of tomato sauce, because really the most amount of protein, or out of all the ingredients, the highest amount of protein is in the tomato sauce, and it still tastes just as good with half of the tomato sauce. Okay, that's about good. Now we're gonna add in all the seasonings. I'll just stir it up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna turn the heat up to high, throw on the, I almost called it the hat, the lid, and we're gonna wait for it to boil. Once it's boiling, you can turn down to a gentle boil and let it boil for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been going for like 20 minutes. We're gonna pour in the d'Italia pasta, and we're cooking it just like we would if we were cooking it without the soup. So it's going in for 4 to 6 minutes, which is what the box says. We're just gonna stir it around and then just let it continue cooking. All right, you guys, pasta's all done, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna serve up our bowls and eat it right when it's hot. So let me serve this up without burning myself. All right, you guys, well, I hope you love this recipe. The ingredients and the step-by-step directions will be in the description box below. We want to thank the Stack family so much for supporting the Thriving with PKU channel. And Rachel and Sally, I surely hope that one day you'll be on my channel cooking with me. I'll see all of you guys next week on Thriving with PKU.